Good morning, friends. Last lecture we have to discuss about the nitrogen lone pair effects and its evidences of the nitrogen lone pair in the heterocycle. Okay, and therefore we have to introduction of the stereoelectronic effect in the heterocycle. Okay, in this lecture we have to discuss about the eight effect of the stereoelectronic effect, such as the first effect of the stereoelectronic effect, that about the ring system and the anomeric effect. Okay, first effect is about what is the ring system. Okay, the ring system is therefore the different types of the ring system, such as the 3-member ring system, 4-member ring system, 5-member ring system, 8-member ring system. Okay, this is the different types of the ring system and the anomeric effect and this ring system's anomeric effect. Okay, therefore the discuss about the ring system and the anomeric effect, such as the tetrahydropyron and the pyranose. It is investigated the anomeric effect, means the tetrahydropyron ring and the pyranose ring. Okay, these two rings are investigate the anomeric effects. म्हणजे या दोन these two rings have they investigate this anomeric effect, and the ring system is a thion 1,3-dioxane known as exhibit the effect. Means this is the 1,3-dioxane ring. This 1,3-dioxane ring, it is exhibit this effect. That effect is ring system and anomeric effect. Okay, this is the first effect, that about the ring system and anomeric effect. In this system, in this effect, therefore the tetrahydropyron, okay, this is the ring, then the pyranose ring. Okay, this investigate the anomeric effect, means these two rings are investigate the anomeric effect. Anomeric effects have they investigated by the tetrahydropyron and the pyranose ring. Okay, and this effect is the ring system, means these two ring system, its effect, anomeric effect, we have to investigate by this effect. Okay, by this ninth effect. Okay, then as the thion, therefore the 1,3-dioxane known as exhibit the effect. Okay, as the thion, you have to also know about the thion, it is a sulfur containing. Okay, this thion 1,3-dioxane, it is exhibit this effect, means thion 1,3-dioxane, it is exhibit this effect. That effect is about ring system and anomeric effect. Okay, therefore the second effect is about the effect of substituents. Effect of substituents. Okay, therefore the different types of the substituent. Okay, look at this structure. Okay, this structure, therefore the alkoxy group and hydrogen, this is the substituents. These substituents, it is effect on the ring, it is effect on the ring, and therefore this is the effect, this is the effect of substituents. Okay, look at this effect of substituent. Therefore the anomeric effect, it is depend on nature of electronegative substances, means therefore anomeric effect means your ring system's anomeric effect, that the anomeric effect, it is a depend on the nature of the electronegative substances, means those electronegative substances nature, it is high, therefore it is a anomeric effect is increases, anomeric effect is increases. Okay, therefore we have to also know about the halogen. Okay, its halogen's electronegativity is greater than the other substituents. Okay, therefore this is the anomeric effect decreasing order, this is the anomeric effect decreasing order, such as the halogen is greater than PHCO2, because the halogen's electronegativity is greater than the other, therefore it is a first position, that about the halogen is greater than PHCO2. Okay, PHCO2 means what? That is about the phenyl carboxy. Okay, this phenyl carboxy, it is a greater than acetate group, it is greater than acetate sulfur, then it is greater than the alkoxy group, then it is greater than the alkyl sulfur, then it is greater than alcohol, greater than amine, and greater than CO2 Me, and greater than N plus. Okay, this is the decreasing order of the anomeric effect. Okay, this is all about the decreasing order of anomeric effect, and this is the second effect of the stereoelectronic effect, such as effect of substituents. Okay, main point of this effect, such as the anomeric effect, it is a depend on anomeric effect, it is a depend on nature of electronegative substances. Means those substituents nature is electronegative, therefore it is priority is first. Priority काय येणार आहे? फर्स्ट येणार आहे. That about halogens electronegativity is increases, therefore first priority is shown in this. Okay, therefore the anaerobic effect decreasing order. Okay, this is the decreasing order, therefore the decreasing, firstly we have to discuss as the halogen. Okay, this halogen is a decreases by PaCO2, decreases by ACO, decreases by ACS, decreases by alkoxy group, decreases by RS. Okay, this is the decreasing order of anomeric effect. Okay, therefore third effect is effect of bulk. Effect of bulk. Okay, the alkoxy group, it is an increasing bulk of R. Alkoxy group. Okay, look at this alkoxy group. This alkoxy group, it is a increases the bulk of R. Means this alkoxy group, it is a increases. This is the R group. Okay, this alkoxy group, it is a increases. It is increases the bulk of R. म्हणजे या bulk of R alkoxy group काय करतो की this is the alkoxy group, it is increases the R group. Okay, then it has a very little effect on anaerobic effect. Means the alkoxy group, it is a increases the bulky. Alkoxy group, it is a increases the bulky, and that is effect on the R group. That the R group. Okay, this is the alkyl group. That alkoxy group, it is a increases. Alkoxy group, it is a increases the bulk of R. Alkoxy group, it is a increases the bulk of R. Therefore the little effect of anomeric effect. When literally anomeric effect कशावर apply होतं? This ring system वर anomeric effect is applied on this ring system. Okay, this is the third, that is the effect of bulk. Okay, then the fourth is exoanomeric effect. Fourth effect is exoanomeric effect. Okay, look at this exoanomeric effect, such as the axial preferences, the two substituent in the tetrahydropyron. Means it is a preference for the gauge conformation CO, Young and iodine. Okay, therefore look at these structures. Okay, this is the tetrahydropyron ring. Okay? This is a tetrahydropyron ring. In this 1,3 dioxyl substances. Okay, 1,3 dioxyl substances. Therefore the axial preferences, the two substituents. Okay, this is the axial. Okay, this axial, these two axial preferences. Okay, these two substituents such as alkoxy and alkoxy group. These two alkoxy group, it is a prefer the axial substances. Okay, it is a preference of gauge conformation. Okay, एक प्रकार means the axial preference is the two substituents. Means this axial position, it is a preference is the two substituents, and it is a tetrahydropyron. Two substituents in the tetrahydropyron. Means this axial preferences, the two substituents. Axial preferences किती substituents ला preference करतात? Two substituent, and it is in tetrahydropyron, and it means it is a preference for the gauge conformation. Means this is these two axial position. Okay, these two substituents, it is a preference the axial position. Okay, these two substituent, it is a preference for gauge conformation in the ring. Preference for gauge conformation in the ring, such as this is the first gauge conformation. Okay, this is the first gauge conformation, then this is the second gauge conformation. Okay, this is the two gauge conformation in this ring. Okay, therefore the next is the same gauge preference, it is expected for OCOC, that is the 1,3 dioxane. Okay, that the fragment of compound 2 both for equatorial and axial isomer of the third compound. Okay, in the compound second, therefore it is a preference of gauge conformation in this compound. Okay, and therefore it is a fragment compound of the second. Okay, look at this gauge conformation, such as this is the first gauge conformation, and this is the second gauge conformation. Okay, this is the two gauge conformation in the second compound, and in the third compound it is also same as it is the gauge conformation, because these two compounds shows the same gauge preferences. Okay, these two compounds shows the same gauge preferences. It is expected of OC2OC. expected as OC2OC. Okay, this is the OC C2O. Okay, this is the two carbon atom. Okay, this is the two carbon atom, and therefore this oxygen is between. Okay, this is the fragment compound. Okay, this same Gauss preferences it is expected for this COOC. Okay, and it is a fragment compound second. Okay, this is the same Gauss conformation. It is a fragment compound second, and it is in equatorial and axial. Okay, this is equatorial. Okay, this is the hydrogen in equatorial and the axial. Okay, in the compound third it is also same as it is. It is in axial and it is in equatorial and axial. Okay, this is all about the exoanomeric effect and its exoanomeric effect and its structure. Okay, then second next anomeric effect is double anomeric effect. Next effect is double anomeric effect. Okay, in the double anomeric effect, look at this. The 1,3-dioxane substituents, 1,3-dioxane substituent add the C2 with electronegative group. C2 with electronegative group. Okay, this is the methoxy group. It is a electronegative group. Methoxy group. It is a electronegative group, and it shows the double anomeric effect. It shows the double anomeric effect. Therefore, the axial methoxy derivative in compound. Therefore, the axial methoxy group in compound, and it is called as double anomeric effect. It is called as double anomeric effect. Okay, look at this. Understand what is the double anomeric effect, such as the 1,3-dioxane substance. Okay, 1,3-dioxane substance. Okay, this is the 1,3-dioxane substance at the C2. At the C2 with electronegative group. This is the methoxy is a electronegative groups, and it shows means this electronegative group it shows the double anomeric effect. Means this methoxy group shows the double anomeric effect. This methoxy group shows the double anomeric effect. Why it shows the double anomeric effect? Because it is an axial methoxy derivative. Because it is an axial methoxy derivative, therefore it shows the double anomeric effect. Okay, समझला सर? Definition simple है. Okay, simple definition है, and therefore the 1,3-dioxane substance. Okay, this is the 1,3-dioxane substance at C2. Therefore, electronegative group shows the double anomeric effect. Okay, this is the electronegative group, and this electronegative group shows the double anomeric effect, and therefore this is the axial methoxy. This is axial methoxy, and it is in axial position in the compound. Okay, this is all about the double anomeric effect. Next time we discuss another 3 effect of this stereoelectronic effect, and then this chapter is over. Okay, thank you.